Hey loves, and what's going on? Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Monty. Today we're here with a food reaction video, so please make sure you like, subscribe, hit that post notification button so you know when I'm dropping bangers. What's going on, loves, and welcome back to Cooking with Chef Monty. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, comment, and also like my video, and also hit the bell ping somewhere around here on this bar so you know when I'm dropping new videos. So today, without further notice, no, I'm not gonna do that. I did that in the last video. You gotta switch it up, Monty. Do it again. Okay, today, no, I'm joking. So today we're gonna be doing a food reaction video. I found the video on YouTube. I see this was a don't get ahead of yourself, sis. You gotta pronunciate. Okay, so I found a video on YouTube, and yeah, I'm going to be reacting to it. And the title of the video is How to Make Kellogg's Cornflakes. Yeah, I think that's what it said. How to make Kellogg's Cornflakes. Yeah. So we're going to get straight into the video. Once again, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the bell so you get your post notifications sent in and you'll know when I'm dropping another video. Let's get into it.
Hello, food fans. Today we're going to
Hello, food fans.
Cornflakes. We'll have a bowl of cornflakes. This is an off-brand cornflakes, 18-ounce box.
I don't think Tony the Tiger would be happy with Millersville, but okay, let's go.
An 18-ounce box that costs $1.39, and we will certainly be using
$1.39. Shout out to Save a Lot.
getting our cornflakes for under 15 cents.
Oh, look at him pricing things out. Hello.
Other ingredients such as blueberries that were on sale and raspberries that were on sale.
Ho, 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 ho.
Boy, if you
So, we already got three things straight. Millerville's cornflakes, which cost $1.35. Shout out to your nearest Save a Lot of Aldi's. And then we have organic blueberries and raspberries. I don't know where this is going, but we're going to continue to watch the video. Let's go.
One was $1.69, don't remember which is which. But 6 ounces of the raspberries, 12 ounces of the blueberries.
Okay, look at him.
And
oh my God!
I would figure I'll use less than 1/6 of the 6 ounces.
See, I'm a chef, and I think I got my numbers down, but baby, look, he got 1/10 to 1/16 for a quarter cup. Come on.
20 cents worth of the
Look, he done priced out the whole entire recipe. Come on, chef.
5 cents there for that. But we will be adding some other ingredients, so let's get started.
Let's get started.
We'll add the first of our secret ingredients here.
Now you know,
Mellows.
he done took a Cool Whip container, put some Millerville's cornflakes in the joint with the blueberries and the raspberries, and he got the nerve to put on there some marshmallows.
Some sugar.
What in the world?
Oh my God!
1 heaping teaspoonful of sugar.
And then he gonna put powdered sugar on the joint. Oh my God. If anybody know powdered sugar don't do nothing to powdered sugar, you need a million gillions teaspoons of powdered sugar to make powdered sugar, powdered sugar.
Sugar.
Stop what you doing.
And some. And it's especially good tasting. Something, aren't we?
I'm lost for words.
Cornflakes has been around a long time. When I was a kid, 75 years ago, they had cornflakes.
75 years ago. I was born in 1986. Picture that. Hello.
Something of the dairy to the mix there. So that's what we shall do. A secret ingredient, of course. Chocolate milk.
I gotta pour a drink.
Or plain milk. I'm going to add the chocolate milk carefully here. has a lot of vitamins.
The Lord said, if I hold my peace, the Lord will fight my battle. Greater is he that is in me. I need scriptures. Because my mind. Let's finish watching the video.
That were added to the cornflakes.
I need a drink.
But the focus here is on good taste. I'm going to put in one.
The focus is on good taste. Sir, stop what you doing.
Here. Put in just a tiny bit of the whipped topping.
And then he put some old
That is our bold
whipped
cereal.
cream on the joint that looked like it been sitting in the refrigerator for 6 months. It done turned all the way into ricotta cheese at this point.
To mix.
Look, he can't even get it.
I could also add other kinds of cereals to this
Now you know,
meal.
I know struggle. Peanut butter jelly, grilled cheese sandwich, a wish sandwich because you wish you had meat in between the bread. But I've never.
The blueberries, raspberries, and everything in it right there.
Look at this mess. Now you know he know better. He don't even want to eat it. Oh, Lord, I'm bracing myself. God. Oh, God, that is the nastiest stuff I ever tasted. Oh. He talking about, this is some nasty stuff. Oh. You know, he got too much time on his hand. Maybe we need to consider, getting him into a senior facility, where he's living independently. He can play tennis, ride the golf course, play racquetball, play a little baseball, watch TV. He doesn't need to be sitting with his idle time doing this. I'm sorry. That looks a hot mess from the pits of hell. I'm telling you right now.
Thank you for watching.
Hold on. I had to make sure I was seeing that right. Let me put on my glasses. It ain't working. Let me try these. Okay. Let me try. Why? Drink break. So there you have it, guys. Chef Monty's reaction to Mr. Wilberg making cornflakes with raspberries, blueberries, powder sugar. What else he had? Marshmallows and his secret ingredient, chocolate milk. At this point, I'm speechless. I don't know how to call it. Is today really Monday? Do you have a ratchet aunt? Do you have an uncle that smokes weed? Has your cousins ever stole from you? I mean, let me know. Maybe I'm out of the loop with this whole situation here. Like, somebody gotta let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate everybody that's subscribing to my channel. Again, subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with some awesome recipes and things for my channel. Awesome content. So tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a stuffed pork loin. Yes, I'm going to do it like Caribbean style, Jamaican style. I'm going to stuff it, and then we're going to slice it. It's going to be off the chain. And don't look at me like that. We've been eating pork chops and pork since the 80s, so don't look at me like that. People just start, I don't eat the other white meat. We grew up on the other white meat. You either ate it or you starved. And by the looks of it, I ate it. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Love, kisses, and God bless. And remember, through Christ, we can do and conquer all things. Love you guys. Bye.